Today we'll show you how to use a green laser crystal engraving machine to engrave a crystal ball. First, measure the total height of the setup, including the mold, to ensure accurate positioning. The measured height is 66 millimeters. Next, adjust the software settings according to the crystal size and engraving requirements. Here's where you set the width, height, and depth of the engraving. Medium thickness refers to the height of 66 millimeters that was just measured. Then pour oil into the mold and carefully flip it over before placing it into the machine. Turn it upside down so the oil covers the surface of the crystal ball. Once everything is ready, start the engraving process. Point by point, the laser creates a detailed design inside the crystal ball. Here is the final result, clear, precise, and beautifully engraved. Want to create crystal engravings like this? Contact us for more details.